Hi, this is Angela Moorad at Amazing Kids AAC Consulting, back with another sound comparison. This one will compare my new Samsung phone to my Samsung tablet. Both are on CoughDrop using the Ella voice with the same test phrase. I measured them at the same distance and used the same decibel meter app on my iPhone, made this environment as same as possible as to when I had previously recorded and compared all my other iPads and tablets, etc. So without further ado, as I already guessed, the tablet sounds louder and clearer because it probably, I'm sure, has bigger, better speakers. But don't count out this little Mighty Mo. It really actually did much better than I thought. So I'm going to let you hear them.
This is a test of Ella voice on my Samsung tablet. This is a test of Ella voice on my Samsung phone.
So when I use the decibel meter app, this one clocked in at about 70 decibels. And this one was a little around 74-ish decibels. So definitely better quality, and even better than that is the sound that you get in an iPad. But if you're looking for affordable, pocket-sized Android AAC, here's an option.
This is a test of Ella voice on my Samsung phone.
And there's lots of different apps that you can use. It doesn't have to be CoughDrop. I just have CoughDrop because it's the one app that I have that can go on any device on any platform pretty much. So it's a good one to use as comparisons.